This is the lesson number 5 for grade 3 mathematics, and what we are studying, guys, 3D shapes, right? So we are going to write something, some basic thing about the 3D shapes, the basic terms, what we learned. What are the faces? Okay, remove this underline. What are the faces, guys? Yes, anyone would like to tell me what are faces?
Yes, sir. The faces is the
Faces,
face of the cube
faces
of the cube,
mean
like the face of all the face of
Yeah, the
the
faces
cube
are the
is
front
square,
are
the
the
some
base
base
of
of
the
the
square,
cube.
some
cube
rectangle, some square, and some rectangle.
that have four edges
Okay,
around.
guys, I cannot understand anyone. You can send your answer on the chat box. What are faces? Tell me first. You have only 2 minutes. Mm-hmm. What are faces? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yad Suleiman. Okay, I am going to write it. No issue. Mm-hmm. Abdullah, very good. Uh, okay, that's very good. I will write very easy. Faces are the flat parts of the shape. The flat parts of the shape. Faces. The flat parts of the shape are called faces. Coming to the next. Next is edge. Edges. What are edges, guys? Would you like to tell me? Yes. What are edges? Yes.
Sir, I'm still writing in the chat at the moment.
Okay. All right. I am writing it. You can copy it. Edges are the line, actually, where two faces meet.
Mute. Edges is the point and where two faces meet.
Very good. Now vertices. And vertices are the point where two or more edges meet. Vertices are the point where two or more edges meet. So guys, these are the basic terms which we learned yesterday also. Faces, the flat parts of the shape, any shape that can be cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, any shape. The flat parts of the shape are called faces. Edges are the line where two faces meet. I show you the faces also, the edges also yesterday. And vertices, the corners or the points where two or more edges meet. Now I'm going to write about first shape, that is cube.
No, so wait, I am still writing.
Okay, vertices are the corners. After that, write the heading of cube. We will write about cube. Very good, Abdulaziz. Cube. You should draw a cube after this. This is the cube. And how can you draw it? Guys, for drawing cube, draw a simple square, and from the middle of the square, draw one more square. Exactly from the middle. Okay. Look here. Now you can see there are two squares. Now what you will do, you will join these points with the line. This is, I'm telling you how you will have to draw a cube if you don't know. This point, I'll join with this one. This point, I will join with this one. Okay. This point to this one. One line from here to there. This. In this way you can make cube. Draw simple square, then from the middle of this draw one square, and then join the lines where join it, and in that way you can make a cube. But these two faces should be square, that you have to be very careful about it. If you cannot draw it, then draw it in that way. If you can, then no worries. Is that fine, guys?
Yes, sir, I finished. It's so easy.
Yes, sir, I finished.
No, sir.
I know
No,
everything.
sir. Writing. Please wait.
Okay.
Sir, I'm
Okay, now I'm going to write it about cube. I'm going to delete it. Now I will write about cube. This is a cube. I will write about its properties, guys. This is a cube. It has how many faces, guys? How many faces?
Six faces. Six faces.
Six faces. Very good.
Six faces.
It has six
Six
faces.
Very good.
and
It
12 edges.
Six.
very good. It has six faces. You can see this is first, second, right side, third, left side, fourth, on the bottom, fifth, and exactly opposite to this one, sixth. So there are six faces. It has six faces. And four of his faces are rectangle and two of his faces are square. No, sorry. In cube, all of the faces are equally square. We are talking about cube. So in cube, all faces are equal square. So I will write here all faces are equal squares. Now I will write about the edges. Can you tell me how many edges does it have?
12 edges.
12.
12 edges.
12.
Very good.
12 edges. 12 edges.
Very good.
12 12
It has 12 edges. So I will write here it has 12 straight edges. All edges are straight. You will get to know about the curved edges also when we will learn cylinder and cone. So you can see guys, what are the edges we have already learned? The lines by which one face meet another face. So this is one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this one here will be the 12. So it has 12 straight edges. We're talking about cube. Now, how many corners and how many vertices does it have? It has, yes, guys, how many corners, how many vertices?
Eight.
There's 8 vertices or
Eight.
corners.
Eight.
8
Eight.
of
Eight.
the
Eight.
corners.
Very
Eight.
There's
good,
8.
very good, very
Vertices
good,
or
very good.
corner.
It has 8 vertices or corners.
Sir, do you write this on notebook?
Do we? I have already told you take out your notebooks in the beginning of the class.
My hand hurts.
Guys, this is vertices. How many vertices are there? 8. There are 8 vertices in a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is here. Right? So there are 8 vertices in the cube. Now we will write about cuboid.
Sir, please wait. I'm still writing. Sir, my arms burns.
Write it fast. We have to write about cuboid also.
Sir, I finished.
Guys, can I draw cuboid now?
Yes.
Go up.
No, sir, no. No,
Yes, sir.
no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why you asking me to go up? I have already given you too much time to write. This is only 1 minute I'm giving you. Then I will write Ammar Khalid. This is I go up. The flat parts of the shape are called faces. And this is edge. Edges are the lines where two faces meet, and vertices are the point where two or more edges meet. Now I'm going down. This is cube. It has 6 faces. All faces are equally square. It has 12 straight edges. It has 8 vertices and corners. Now I'm going to write about cuboid. Cuboid. It is cuboid. I will draw a cuboid here. This is a cuboid. Guys, you will draw same in the same way I told you about the cube. In the same way you can draw a cuboid also. Instead of a square, now you will draw a rectangle. Draw a one rectangle. From the middle of this rectangle, draw one more rectangle. And then join the lines, and in that way you will be able to draw cuboid. Okay guys, how you will draw it? Again I tell you. Draw one rectangle. From the middle of this rectangle, draw one more rectangle and then join these lines. In that way you will draw it. You will be able to draw a cuboid. Is that clear guys?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any question, you can send message in the chat box. Alright guys, now I'm going to write about cuboid. This is cuboid. Ahmad Jibrail, I have shown you how to draw cube also, and I have shown you how to draw cuboid also. Okay. This is cuboid. And can you tell me how many faces does cuboid have?
I know how.
6 faces. 6 faces.
Six faces. Two
Six
faces.
faces.
Two faces.
Six faces.
Very good. This is cuboid and it has 6 faces. Like cube. This is first, second, third on the left side, fourth on the top, fifth bottom, and sixth is just opposite to that. It has 6 faces, but
It has 6 faces and 6 vertices.
and you know guys, in cube all faces were equally square, but here 4 faces are rectangle, 4 faces are rectangle, and 2 faces are square. In cuboid, 4 faces are rectangle and 2 faces are square. Look at this right side and left side. These 2 faces are square. Other 4 faces are rectangle. Coming to the edges. Can you tell me how many edges does it have?
6 edges.
12 edges.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Edges.
Very good.
12 edges. 12 edges. 12.
Very good. It has 12 edges. One, two, three, four. Four in the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 edges, like a cuboid, like cube. So it has 12 straight edges. These are also straight, not curve. And how many vertices does it have? Same as cube. It has 8 vertices. 8 vertices or corners.
Sir, my hand burns. Like burns. I can't write.
It has 8 vertices, corners.
Ah.
Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir.
My hand is broken, sir.
No
Yes,
problem.
yes, sir, it's very clear.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
It's very clear.
Good.
Sir,
Very
can you
good.
wait? I'm still writing.
Very good. Very good. Okay, guys. Now, uh, this is the answer. I will make it blue, and I will make a bullet for you here. So you have learned about cube and cuboid. Now we'll go. We are complete it fast, and we are going to learn the third shape. This is which is cylinder. The third shape, which is cylinder. The third shape is cylinder. We will write about cylinder first, and I will show you in the video also. Cylinder. Can I write about? Can I draw cylinder now?
Yes, sir. No, 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 no,
Yes,
no,
yes,
no,
yes,
no.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir,
yes, sir.
writing.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, go up.
Okay, okay. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Complete it. Okay, I have come up now. Check it, please. And I will upload this in course your course material also. You can copy it down from there. Finish, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No,
go up.
sir. No, sir, give me 1 minute.
Sir, go up. Sir,
Sir,
go
give me
up.
1 minute more.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute more. Go up. Why to go up? I can do one thing. That's fine, I think now. Those who are saying go up, it is smaller now, but you all can see this, I think. Those who are, yes, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Now
No,
you can write
yes,
Slender
sir.
and they will write.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes,
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 sir.
yes,
No,
yes,
sir. Thank you.
Very good. Now what you will do, I'll draw a cylinder for you. Guys, this shape is known as cylinder. This shape is known as cylinder. Okay. Uh, it has three faces, and two of the faces are flat, and one of the faces curved. I show you how the top and the bottom. These two faces are flat, and this one, this is another face. It is curved. So there are three faces. One on the top, one on the bottom. You can put something on cylinder from the top also, on the bottom also, and this is the curved side. Okay. So we will write about it's in detail. How what we will write about the properties of cylinder and how you will have to draw it, guys. Draw two simple lines, one and two, and then make one curved edge here, and you can join from bottom also. In that way, you can draw a cylinder. I'm going to write about the properties of cylinder. One more.
There, how many minutes until the class finish?
There are 4 minutes. 4 minutes are left.
Okay.
This is cylinder. It has three faces. It has three faces. Two of the faces are flat, and one of the face is curved. If we talk about the edges, so it has two edges, but they are not straight, they are curved. So it has two curved edges. Guys, don't worry. I'll discuss cylinder with you in the next class in detail. Okay, we will discuss about cylinder in the next class. Just write it now. It has two curved edges, and it doesn't have any corner or vertices. Zero vertices or corners. Okay, guys, can I zoom in now? Should I close the zoom out?
I cannot finish
No,
it. No, sir,
no, no,
I
no,
cannot
no,
finish it.
sir.
No,
No,
sir, I cannot
sir.
finish it. No, sir, no, sir.
It should be, very smaller in your screen. Do it fast. Or you have only 1 minute left. I will upload this in Classera course material also, guys. Today you write about faces, edges, and vertices, cube, cuboid, and cylinder. And you have learned about the cube, cuboid, faces, edges, and vertices. And you have a how know about cylinder. But in the next class, we will start with the cylinder. Uh, and we will also discuss some examples of these. And we will see how cylinder has three faces, how the faces are flat, how the curves, how it doesn't have any vertices. We'll just see all this in the next class. Guys, your class time is finished. If you have not finished, no problem. I will upload it in the Classera course material. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next class.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye
Have a
bye,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, sir.